Welcome back to Tiger Garage. So, today, natapos na natin yung brand new 2024 Yaris project natin. So, ano ulit pinagawa ng customer sa atin? So, ang pinagawa ng customer sa atin, halatang halata na inuna ni customer ang protection ng car. Pina-ceramic coating niya yung car, nagpalagay siya ng PPF sa mga piano black sa loob ng interiors, and pinag-glass coating niya. So, kitang-kita kung gaano ka protective ang owner ng bago nating Yaris. So, 3 things ulit. Pinagawa niya ay ceramic coating to prevent the car from minor scratches, glass coating para to avoid acid rain and also to protect the glass, and yung PPF, pina-PPF niya yung interior piano black. Bakit? Kasi alam naman natin sa interior may mga piano black, mabilis ma-scratch. So, if you guys are interested in any of our products, or if you guys want to protect your car or know anyone who wants to protect their car, please leave us a message. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!